What if you could make $150 a day with a free tool? No face, no voice, and no experience. What if you could make $150 a day with a free tool? No face, no voice, and no experience. Most online hustles need skills, money, or showing your face. But what if there was a better way? Here's a faceless side hustle using ChatGPT and Canva, all free tools, and you can start in under 1 hour. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Ask it to write product descriptions for any niche like phone cases, candles, or pet toys. Step 2. Go to Canva.com. Turn those descriptions into clean product posts or carousel ads using templates. Step 3. Offer these as a service on Fiverr under e-commerce product descriptions or social media posts for brands. You can also DM small Instagram stores offering 3 free samples in exchange for paid work. There are Fiverr sellers making over $1,000 a month doing exactly this. No camera, no voice, just AI and Canva. Want more faceless side hustles using free AI tools? Hit subscribe.